In this tutorial, I am going to walk you through the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press collection, which contains 4 easy steps. Before I start the system, I am going to apply the lavender and marula oil treatment directly to the scalp and massage for about 2 or 3 minutes. This oil mixture contains Abyssinian oil, a stable oil not prone to oxidation. It also contains large amounts of linoleic acid, giving it anti-inflammatory and conditioning properties. So, if you tend to have very dry, flaky, or itchy scalp, especially with thermal styling, you can use this as a scalp primer before shampooing. You have to make sure to thoroughly rinse this for a few minutes in warm water, as the water allows the oil to actually work as a scalp moisturizer. Alone, oil is not a moisturizer. The water gives it balance. Again, this step is totally optional depending on your scalp needs. Now we are ready for step 1 of the collection. The moisturizing hair bath is formulated to give intense hydration to the hair and scalp with a blend of antioxidants and hydrolyzed wheat protein. The entire collection has agave leaf extract, which contains its own natural surfactants that help with penetration, ultimately improving strength and elasticity, and lavender flower extract, which helps reduce shedding and dandruff as well as add shine and amazing fragrance. After shampooing and rinsing twice to fully remove all buildup from the hair, we are going to proceed to step 2, the moisturizing and detangling conditioner. This super smooth conditioner has mango seed butter in addition to the agave leaf and lavender flower extracts. Mango seed butter, formulated within a balanced product, has vitamin C, which helps with elasticity through collagen building, and vitamin A for scalp health. This conditioner spreads very easily, so you don't need a lot of it per section. Just keep a spray bottle handy if you need to re-wet your hair as you go. I am twisting sections together to keep the hair detangled and sectioned for the next step. After applying throughout, I am going to have Liasia sit under the steamer for 5 to 7 minutes. The directions on this call for 3 minutes, so I am adding just a few to account for her porosity. Now I am going to rinse out while keeping the twist in. If you choose to do this, make sure for sure you are thoroughly rinsing the conditioner out. Lukewarm water is good, just let it flow for a few minutes. Once the water is running clear, we are good to go. On to step 3, the blow dry and styling primer. It's a lightweight mist that cuts blow dry time in half while protecting from thermal damage. You just shake to activate and spray throughout the section of hair. Quality products are super important to thermal styling, but tool selection is what makes those products perform their best. I am going to show you a few brush options. You've seen me use this one lots of times. It's got a mix of pins and bristles that detangle, stretch, and smooth the hair. This one is easier to use on looser curls, medium to long length for proper grip. The tension method of grab and pull and the use of the dryer as a vacuum applies here, and you'll see me do the same with the next brushes. Paddle brushes are great for hair that has curly to coily texture in medium to long length. The pins help detangle hair with less tension than the previous brush I showed you, while providing enough grip to stretch the hair evenly. The open paddle design allows heat to flow over strands without lots of excessive brushing. The key to this is having enough length to fully extend it through the brush. The next option is going to be good for straight, wavy, and loose curls that tend to frizz easily. The ceramic barrel keeps heat even around the section of hair, and the pins help grip and glide the hair around the brush. This classic Denman D3 brush comes in 7 and 9 row formats and is great for all textures: wavy, curls, coils, tight coils, zigzags, everything. The width of this brush is smaller with just 7 rows, so it will grip shorter hair. There is adequate tension to stretch hair while the pins smooth through. Any of these brushes are suitable for Liasia's hair, as most of you will find to be true for your own. The goal with blow drying is to safely stretch your curls to the extent they will allow before flat ironing. If done right, you won't have to use excessive direct heat to style. Of course, cutting those ends is a must for hair health, and we haven't cut hers in several months, so it's time to clean up her round layered shape. Since I cut the original shape, I know where everything will fall curly, so we're good. Now we are ready for the 4th and final step, The thermal protectant cream is applied right before flat ironing to provide more heat protection and a silky smooth finish with lots of shine. This cream is very concentrated, so a pea-sized amount per quadrant or so is enough. Do not slather your hair with this, you will be disappointed. I am going to silk and curl Liaisia's hair in one pass with my Ion Magnesium 1.25-inch flat iron by doing a traditional barrel curl. You simply turn and slide until the hair has passed through the iron, and just as the ends get between the plates, start to roll up while you turn and slide and then release. The result comes out different depending on the length of hair. If you have hair that is shoulder length or above, this makes a very pretty wavy curl. Longer hair produces more of a wavy spiral. This 4-step system made this process super easy, manageable, fast, and absolutely beautiful. We got smooth, shiny, bouncy, soft curls in just under 2 hours. The reason this system rocks is because it takes the guesswork out of what to put with what for this process, especially for those of you who are not super familiar with what your hair needs for thermal styling. For bed, Liaisia can bantu knot large sections and cover with a satin scarf or bonnet to preserve her curls. The Design Essentials Agave and Lavender Blow Dry and Silk Press collection is available exclusively at Sally Beauty. You will find links to everything used in this tutorial, as well as a nifty little coupon, in the About section below this video, or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.